Hello. Stephanie Serrano here. I'm just going to do a quick makeup tutorial, show you how quick and easy this makeup is. So I'm going to put my hair back first to get out of my way. And there we go. Now, first thing I do when I start my makeup is spray my Stay Spray all over my face because I have oily skin. And this helps to keep it on and to keep it from getting too oily. And then I also have my Professional, which is mattifying for people with oily skin. This helps not to get too much oil to come out. So whenever I'm wearing my makeup all day, it doesn't just get oily and just start to run. I gotta let this Stay Spray dry before I put this on. My husband's looking at me. So this is a primer that I use. It looks green when it comes out. Babe, stop. He's trying to distract me. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. You just rub it in your hands and then just put it all over your face. I use it all around my eyes too because that way it helps it not clump up. It helps smooth out my pores and everything as well. My son is playing with my husband's Nikes. There's an app for the shoes that tightens the strings and he's playing with it. And colors on the bottom, the lights, he's changing the colors and stuff. Okay, first thing after that is pull out my palette. And first I use my Detail MAC brush and dip into my indigo, which is my contour color. And then you make the number 3 on your face. I like to start with my contour first. You don't have to. With this makeup, you don't have a foundation that you put on first. All of the colors are the foundation. So all the colors make up your foundation. You don't have like a separate all over color and then put these on top of it. All these colors make up your full foundation. So I have this and then I come down here and go like this. So you have a 3. My son is screaming now because my husband took the phone away from him and took him out of the room. He could have just let him play with it. It wasn't bothering me. And there's a lot of different brushes you can use to put this on. Sometimes I use this side right here, and today I'm using the smaller side, just so I don't put too much of the contour on. Okay, there's that. And then I just like to take this side and just dip it in at an angle to pick up just on that corner so I can do my nose a little more precisely. See? And if you're hopping on, just say hello so I know that you're here. And if you're catching me on the live, hit live, replay, put replay. And share this video. So if you have some friends that need a fast, quick makeup look, because they have kids and they're in and out the door in 5 minutes. They don't have time for makeup. This is a perfect choice because it does not take long at all to put on. And it's inexpensive too. Because once you get all of your little, what are they called? Once you get all of your little 10s, you don't have to buy again until you run out. And you only have to buy the one that you ran out of. So basically, it's like $14 per 10. And that has lasted me. I can't even tell you how long. Of course, I don't wear makeup every single day. If you do, you'll run out sooner. But I mean, I've had these colors, $14 per 10. I've had these colors for literally over a year and a half. But like I said, I don't wear makeup every single day. Some of you might, you'll run out sooner, but $14 for a 10 is gonna last you at least 6 months. I mean, that's just so inexpensive for makeup, especially makeup as good, high quality as this. I mean, Sephora wanted this, but she said no. Because whoa, sorry, I just kicked everything. She said no, Kara, the creator, said no because she wanted to give back because she was selling it like crazy with all her customers just word of mouth. And so she decided she wanted to go the direct sales way instead of going into an Ulta or a Sephora because she thought that the translation would get lost, that people would not know what they're doing if they didn't find it from a person and watch the video. Okay, now I'm just going to take my, sorry, my brain is going blank today. My other double-ended brush. I can't even think of the name of this right now. I don't know why, but I'm just going to take this one. This is a big end and then a smaller end. I put my main color on with this end and then I put my brightener on with this end and I'll show you the difference. So I'm just going to dip into my main color, which is Mango. And it might look a little bit dark, but once I get it all blended in, it blends beautifully. I meant in the tint, it might look a little dark. Obviously it doesn't look that dark on, but it's more of an orange and it helps cover up this red because I am really red. Always have been. Even when I'm not tan, I have like a pink tint to my skin. And when I do this on my phone, I tend to put too much on. So after I get off, I always go and use my perfector sponge and get some of it off. I don't know why my son is still crying. It's like he just wanted to play with those tennis shoes. He loves to get on our phones, and he was playing on the phone, so now he's upset, probably. Yep, he left the phone in here, so that's probably why he's upset. Uh-oh. Sounds like he's getting in trouble. He must be trying to get back in the room or something. Okay, so then I just go on my forehead. And when I'm not talking, this is way faster. And then I'm going to go into my brightener, which actually I was using Sunlit, but I have started using Linen, which is a really light color compared to the Mango. This is Linen right here. That's what I use for my brightener lately. I can use like a lot of the other colors, but I just like this one because it's way bright. And it really highlights those areas that you want to highlight, like your eyes. Like right there. And then you can go down the center of your nose and right here. Excuse me. I burped. And right here, your Cupid's bow. See? And then you can also do like a line right here to brighten your eyes more. Ooh, look at that. Okay, and then to get this all mixed in, you just kind of rub it around. And I like to put it on my eyelids too, because my eyelids are always red. So red, especially when I've been tanning. And I know about tanning, you do not have to lecture me. If any of you feel like lecturing me, you don't have to. I used to work in the tanning salon. I've even had basal cell carcinoma before, so I already know all the risks. You don't have to lecture me. And then I just flip my brush back over where I had my main color to blend the other spots in. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. We have 3 new bronzers out, and I cannot wait to get them. I've already ordered them. They're going to be available for customers on September 29th. One of them is for a much paler skin. One of them is kind of medium, which I'm going to try. It's called Tan Lines. And then there's Heat Wave, which is for darker skin. So I'm just going to go in with this, which is called our BB brush for blush and bronzer. And I've got my bronzer here, which this is the Bella, the original, and I've got it mixed with the Glow, which is an illuminator. And I just sweep my brushes over. Sorry, sweep my brushes or my brush over that, and then I go in like here and here. I'm really gonna clip that back. Here, and then get a little bit more, and then go in here, just like wherever the sun would hit you is where you want to go with that. And then you can kind of go from your contour line and down your neck, just to kind of blend everything in together. I see that my mother is watching. Hello, Mom. She's like my #1 fan. Of course, she's my mother. I love you, Mom. So there's that. And then you can kind of just take this, the brush I was putting on my contour with, and just kind of blend it in with your hairline. Just kind of go along the line. And you want to go up, you don't want to go down, because you don't want to pull your face down. And this just creates that shadow and like chisels out your face and makes you look, you know, like 5 pounds lighter. Like you just lost some weight in your face. Who doesn't want to do that? And if you don't want to lose weight in your face, we do have another way to put your contour on that will help just chisel it out without. So if you need any help with that, just let me know and I can help you do a one-on-one tutorial. And anybody who would like to just be a model for me to practice color matching, I would love to come and meet with you and do a one-on-one color match, or even have all your girlfriends over and we can do color matches like that. Please let me know if you're interested in that. That would help me out so much. Okay, and then after I get done kind of blending a little bit, I like to go in with my light color that I did and just kind of snatch that out right there. Something I learned from my upline. She just started doing not too long ago, and it just really defines that line right there even more. See how much that just improved that line? And then this line you can redo a little bit. Ooh, yes. And then I'm going to go in with my blush. This is one of my favorites right here. It's called Sandstone. It looks really dark, but once you put it on, look at that. I haven't even blended it in yet. There we go. And you can just flip it over to your bronzer side again. And that just blends in. Ooh. There we go. Okay, and then another thing I like to do, I like to go in with my olive contour color that I have and just go around my lips. It's like contours, highlighters. All of our colors are like multi-use, so it helps you not have to buy more and more and more product for each little bitty thing. This is hard to do in the phone because it's not so bright. Let's see. Let me see if I can turn this up a little. Maybe I can see better. Oh, I got a little bit too much color right there. And see, the cream is very forgiving. You saw how I fixed that real fast. I'm super excited. I'm getting my lips done on Thursday. I cannot wait. I haven't told my husband yet, but he'll find out when he comes home and have an ice pack on my lips. Okay, so that's kind of contoured out. And then this is my favorite lip color. It's called Seductress by Maybelline. You just go over like this and then it'll dry. And once it dries, I really like to put our lip and cheek color Cindy on it. Now we got, I believe 4 or 5 new lip colors, lip and cheek colors. And there's one called Pinky Promise. It is so pink and it's beautiful. I want to try it so bad. Okay, what do y'all think? See how fast and easy that is? Now what I do, since I told y'all before, like I'm oily skin, what I do after I'm completely done, because I'm still going to do my my eyeshadow, gosh, I cannot think today, is I spray my Stay Spray all over my face, and then I go in with this Airspun, really cheap drugstore setting powder, and I use my Best Blend Forever brush, and I just go in and put it all over. And one more step that I haven't showed you yet is, if I can get this open again, is this right here. It's called the Illuminator. Most of you probably know it as highlighter, but it's Illuminator. Just get a little bit of that and go along the top of your cheekbone. And that really highlights that area right there, or illuminates, we could say, since it's an Illuminator. And you can put it on your nose and up here, since we want to do the triangle of light, and then right here and down here. There you go. All right, now I am going to hop off and go onto my Instagram, smuska83, to do an eyeshadow tutorial if y'all want to go over there and watch that. Love you all. See you later.